Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable a voice in character AI. So first thing first, you need to log in to your character AI and go to your homepage. You can either create a new character from here, or you can manage the settings on the old one. I will do this on the old one. So I choose Benji and go to three dots here and view character settings. Scroll down and choose a character's voice. Here you can choose a voice to your character and listen to it through this button. Now you need to save it and go back to your chat. Now, this is very important. You go here and you erase this 2 right here and upload again. And now you can see here you get a voice and you need to go to 3 dots here and push enable character voice. Now you can try it.
Hello. How are you? It's nice to meet you.
And voila, your character has a voice. If you want to turn it off, go to 3 dots here and disable character voice. And that's it, guys. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.